Many travelers plan their trip to England, imagining iconic sights like Big Ben and Buckingham Palace, assuming they've seen it all. However, England offers much more, from picturesque countryside escapes to charming historic towns often overlooked. In this video, I'll reveal some must-visit places in England that showcase the beauty and diversity of this incredible country. First, we'll explore some fascinating fun facts about England, then delve into its best destinations. But before we start, if you love discovering amazing travel spots, be sure to subscribe to my channel. England is renowned for its love of tea. Afternoon tea, a light meal with tea, sandwiches, and cakes, became popular in the 19th century. The name Big Ben actually refers to the bell inside the clock tower, not the clock itself or the tower. The tower is officially named the Elizabeth Tower. The iconic red telephone boxes were designed by Sir Giles Gilbert Scott in 1924. Although they are less common today, due to the rise of mobile phones, many remain as beloved symbols of British heritage. London Zoo, opened in 1828, is the world's oldest scientific zoo. England is known for its pub culture. There are over 50,000 pubs in the country, and some have been in operation for hundreds of years. Our adventure begins in London, the bustling capital of England. This city is a melting pot of history and modernity, where iconic landmarks like the Tower of London and Buckingham Palace stand proudly alongside contemporary marvels like the Shard. Art enthusiasts can indulge in world-class museums such as British Museum and Tate Modern. For those who love shopping, Oxford Street offers a bustling array of shops. Covent Garden and Soho, renowned for their lively atmosphere, filled with theaters, restaurants, and street performers, adding to London's diverse and dynamic charm. Next, we travel north to Manchester, a city renowned for its industrial heritage and vibrant cultural scene. Manchester played a pivotal role in the Industrial Revolution, earning it the nickname Cottonopolis. Music enthusiasts will be thrilled to know that Manchester is the birthplace of legendary bands like the Smiths and Oasis. Sports fans, on the other hand, can revel in the city's passion for football, with both Manchester United and Manchester City calling this place home.